Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the settings not opening or not working in a Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method on, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it. We just need to wait for this to get 100% complete. After this verification complete, just to close stuff here and check if this works. If this method doesn't fix, method 2, go to search menu and type partial. Right click on the Windows partial and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this second command. Just copy and paste it. Press enter. After getting this done, just to close stuff here and check if it is works. If this method doesn't fix your problem, method 3, you just need to create a new user account. To do this, press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager. Select Run New Task option and in here type NETPLWIZ and click on OK and select the Add option and select Sign in without a Microsoft account and select here local account. Type the name of the account and type the password and password hint you can type whatever you want and select next option and select finish. And now new account has been created. As you can see, just close stuff here and click on the start icon and select the username and select three dot icon and select the newly created user account and type the password. Select next. And now the new user account has been created guys. In this new user account your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.